Hey friend, it's Demetra. Welcome if you are new here, and if not, welcome back. On my channel, I cover alternate day fasting, healing, and self-development. So if you are interested in that content, then please subscribe to my channel and join my family. In today's video, I'm here with an update for my weight. I did a video about 5 weeks ago, and I said I was restarting my weight loss journey because I had gotten off track and gotten away from my fasting and things like that. But I decided that after sitting with myself for a while this last 5 weeks, and going within and thinking about where I really want to go on my journey and how I really need to touch on my mental health, because I've done so many things over my lifetime to lose weight, and I would lose it and gain it and lose it and gain it, and no diet is going to fix what needs to be addressed. Is within me and my mental health and the trauma and things like that that have made me go to food for comfort. So I need to address my mental health. So I'm going to add that into my journey, and we're going to talk about some things that I've been through and how I believe that I ended up where I am. But that'll be another video for another day very soon. On today's video, I'm just going to run some numbers by you guys. I'm not starting over the last video. I even changed the title on the thumbnail because it's not day one. It's not reset. I'm going to keep on going. So I've got my numbers wrote down here. I'm going to add a chart with all of my weigh-ins and my numbers for the weeks that I did not weigh in with you guys, so you will see the ups and downs and losses and gains throughout this period when I wasn't doing my weigh-ins, kind of to play catch up per se. And so that would make this week, from my journey beginning in May of this year, that would make this week, week 22 weigh-in. So on this week, I weighed in at 299.6 pounds. That is a loss of 10.2 pounds from the last video that I made 5 weeks ago, which was where I weighed in at 309.8 pounds. So in 5 weeks, I've lost 10.2 pounds. I'll put the chart up where you will see each week weigh in. Even though I didn't do a video for it, I want to show you guys what my numbers were. I was on and off with the fasting. I'm still trying to get myself back into a regular routine with my fasting. I like the way my schedule was before, and I will be fasting on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I will be feasting on Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday, and doing OMAD on Sunday. That schedule worked for me before, and that is what I want to continue on. I know that, there's some things that I need to deal with within myself, and that has affected my weight loss journey, but I'm not giving up. I'm still pushing on and continuing on my journey with alternate day fasting. I enjoy it. I do believe that it is healing my relationship with food. It's just not a straight shot. It's a lot of bumps and ups and downs, and it's hard. It's hard when I have used food as a coping mechanism for the last 20 to 30 years. But, it hasn't always been this way. And I've been doing a lot of journaling, and it is really, journaling has really helped. And it's made me sit with some things and sit with myself to uncover, peel back the layers, and get to the root of the problem. Because as I have discussed before, I've had weight loss surgery. I've been on weight loss medications and pills, and I've done Weight Watchers. I've lost 168 pounds. I gained a lot of that weight back, lost another 70-something pounds on Weight Watchers. And so I know I'm capable of losing weight, although I'm getting older, so I need to be more conscious and present with the decisions that I make. I have to. It's no longer for me about my appearance and vanity and weight loss and wanting to look good. I want to feel good. My job, you guys know that I started a job working from home, and I have what they call a mother-in-law's room. It's the room above my garage. I have turned that into my office, and I love my space. But there's steps. There's a staircase to get up to my office, and I don't want to lug 300 pounds up and down the steps every day. I'm 47. Turned 47 in June, and as I get older and I'm starting to go through menopause, I believe, or I'm perimenopausal. So all of those things are reasons why the time is now for me to get it together. And I can no longer just think that, oh, I can fast and lose weight, or I can count calories or points with Weight Watchers, or go to the gym, and lose weight when food is my drug of choice. So I have to be conscious. I have to be aware. I have to be present, and I have to address my mental health. There's no other way around it. And there's so much trauma and grief and abandonment issues and so many things that have caused me to turn to food for comfort that there's not going to be one thing that fixes it. I do believe, from my experience with fasting and spirituality, that fasting is definitely a tool that I enjoy and will be using, want to use, desire to use, love to use the tool in my weight loss journey and in my spiritual journey. Like, fasting is everything to me. But the other side that makes me turn to food for comfort sabotages that. So that is the side that I have to address. That is the side. That is the side that needs to be dealt with, because she's a part of me that will continue to sabotage, that will say, you fasted, so you can have this. You can have what you want. I cannot have what I want all the time, because I lack self-control. I have lacked self-control. That one snack turns into many snacks. One cheat day turns into several cheat days. So in today's video, I just wanted to come back and give you guys a weigh-in update, but be looking for several videos coming up very soon where I will be discussing my entire journey throughout my life with weight loss. And I will be discussing my healing journey and how I plan to heal my relationship with food. But first, I have to face the things that I know that cause me to turn to food for comfort. I have a journal entry discussing it that I would like to share with you guys. I'm a little scared too. But I think it's very important to do that. So that's my plan. Please don't give up on me yet, guys. Because I'm not giving up. Just know that. Just know that. And I am here for and with you guys. I love you guys. I miss you so much. I have missed this month and being off track with my weight loss journey. I have missed being here. I enjoy my community. I just want you guys to know that I am a work in progress. I'm not here to pretend like I have all the knowledge. I have all the self-control. I have it all together, because I certainly do not. I certainly do not. I'm just here to share my journey. And I don't know what all that's going to look like, because I'm discovering new things about myself all the time. Right now, I'm working on my routine, on getting back to alternate day fasting. My next video will be showing you guys my plan for getting back on track on my alternate day fasting journey. So stick around for that, guys. And until next time, bye, friend. Mwah.